back to another video. In this video, I'll be talking about who controls the Bitcoin network. Nobody owns the Bitcoin network, much like no one owns the technology behind email. Bitcoin is controlled by all Bitcoin users around the world, while deploy and improve the software. They can't furious a change in a Bitcoin protect because all the users are free to choose the software and reason they use. In order to stay completed with each other, all users need to be software completing with the same rules. Bitcoin can only work correctly with a completed contented admin or user. Therefore, all user and deploy have a strong network to complete it complex this context. I'm at the end of this video. To find more information, go to the Winners Coin website and remember to like, comment down below and subscribe.